Okay guys, welcome back for part 2 of the pole dynamometer. This is our hamstring setup, and I'm going to share the Bluetooth phone reading with you today too. So we'll have Maren set up. Okay, so that's our angle that we're looking for. Okay, Maren, go ahead and give a little push for me. Go, go, go. And there's your outputs and time. Let's go ahead and relax. Okay, so again, what we'll do with Maren is we'll have her do 3. Let's have her go ahead and do 1 for me. Ready? And go. Come on, come on. You got more. Go, 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 go. Come on, Maren. Go, go, go. And relax. Okay, so her max output was 14.8 kilograms. Again, I'm going to do 3 on this side and 3 on the other. So full circle, if we have good readings, we can make a good plan of care. So when I'm done with this test, I'll be able to give this to the PTs and we'll be able to discuss her strength program.